This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Facebook page cover photo on mobile. So if you are wondering how to change your Facebook page cover photo, don't worry. You can follow these quick steps to change your Facebook page cover photo, and the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. Go ahead and open your Facebook app, then open your Facebook page. Tap on this camera icon, tap on upload photo, and now you can easily change your Facebook cover photo. Tap on save, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.